Hello everyone, welcome to PK4. Today let's learn about the status awaiting correction. So awaiting correction is when you ask for some clarification on a specific time entry. So I'm on the approvals page, and if I have any doubt on specific time entry, I will click the pencil icon, go to the discuss tab, add my comments here as check the I add my comments, and then I go to the details tab, I make it as awaiting correction and save the time entry. So now the status is changed to awaiting correction. So you can change it from the discuss or the details tab, or you can just select here and mark it as request correction, and the status is changed to awaiting correction. So when the user sees this status, she knows that there are some corrections to be made on this time entry. So she'll go to the discuss tab, check your comments, and make the necessary changes, and she can submit it for approval again. So then you can follow the same process for approvals. So this is what the status request correction or the awaiting correction status. Thank you.